Hello everyone, this is Savi extending a genial welcome to you all on my YouTube channel Spoken English by Savi. I hope you are doing well and safe. So, in this very first video of mine on this amazing platform YouTube, I'll be sharing some important tips and tricks with you about how to greet someone impressively. Talking about English, although being a foreign language, it is the most important one as most of the higher education books in India are printed in English only. Also, it is the third most spoken language in the world. It is the expression of life, emotions and aspirations. You know what? 44.9% people, approximately 55,364 people search how to learn English on Google every month. This itself explains how important it is to learn speaking English and communication skills. As per my experience, I can surely tell you, once you learn how to communicate with others in English now, your confidence will start boosting itself. Coming back to our today's topic, how to greet someone impressively, let me tell you some of the basic tactics and tricks to how to speak fluently in English, how to communicate fluently with someone. Whenever you meet a person, you can simply say hello, or you can either use hey, it's good to see you, how you doing, how's everything going, or you can ask what's happening. Also, let me tell you, when you haven't met that person for a long time now, you can say it's been a long time. What have you been up to all these days? Or you can say what's new, what's the new update, or you can playfully say a person that it's been ages since I've met you, it's been ages since I've seen you, or you can say what have you been hiding. Or you can ask about his or her family by saying how's everyone at home, how's everyone doing at home. Or you can ask about his or her job or college. You can ask how's your college going, how's your school going, how's your job going, how's it at the work. So this was only about the questioning part till now. Yes, I haven't told you the answers to it as of now. I haven't told you that what can you reply when someone asks you the same question. So talking about that, if someone asks you about the same question, if someone asks you how you doing, how's everything going, so I am fine, I am okay, these were used in the earlier days only, right? It's quite boring and it looks quite older and boring nowadays. What can you say impressively? What can you say differently? How can you make a difference? Let me tell you how will you make the difference. See, you can say I'm doing great, I'm doing very well, I'm doing awesome, it's been awesome. Or if someone asks you that what were you up to, what are you doing, what were you doing, so you can say I have been stuck with my exams, I've been stuck with my job, I've been stuck with a wedding. Or you can simply just mold the answer or the reply according to what you want to say. You just have to mold the answer. You just have to mold the reply, okay? One thing more you can add to this, you can say I was busy chilling with my family, I was busy chilling with my friends, I was busy chilling at home watching Netflix, watching web series, watching Prime Video, or anything what you have been doing. So, do you see how easy it is to greet someone or to communicate with someone in English? So, if you are also worried about your English speaking skills or your communication skills, or if you find it difficult to communicate with someone in English, let me tell you, it's as simple as cooking a Maggi. Yes, you heard it right. It's as simple as cooking a Maggi. What you can do is up to your preferences only, right? You can simply just open the packet and put the raw Maggi and the taste maker in a pan, or if you feel so, you can add some vegetables to it as well. So it's totally up to your preference only, my dear friends. English is also the same. What you can do is you can use simple to simple daily use words or sentences to talk to someone, to communicate with someone, or you can add some complex words, some good vocabulary words, some impressive words or some impressive sentences in it and improve your communication. That's it. But let me tell you one more thing. It's all in all about the fluency, your speaking style, your communication skills, your vocabulary, and most importantly, your confidence. See, what happens is the key to confidence lies in your mindset only. I always tell my students to don't feel bad or shy at first that you cannot communicate or the other person will be going to judge you. See, nobody is going to judge you, and even if they are judging you, why is it hurting to you? Why are you feeling bad about it? You should not feel bad about it. It's all about your perception. You just have to make a perception. You just have to perceive it that the other person will not at all going to judge you. And even if he does so, it doesn't matter you, right? You just have to communicate. You just have to do your thing and nothing else matters. Now, after all the general conversation, you can simply say, it's great connecting with you. It is pleased to meet you. I felt delighted talking to you. Or you can say, it was lovely meeting you in person. So these were some of the ways you can impressively say it was nice to meet you, right? Because what we are doing here is we are just speaking or communicating or greeting someone impressively, right? So, my dear YouTube family, it was really a wonderful experience sharing my knowledge and skills with you people. I hope you liked this video, and if you really did so, please don't forget to show your support and your love for such impressive and amazing tricks of learning English. I request you all to please subscribe to my channel and share it with your loved ones. Also, please don't overpass without hitting the like button. Your support is much needed for my motivation. See you soon in another video. Till then, press the bell icon to get to all the notifications regarding my upcoming YouTube videos. I promise to provide you with the best content and to teach you the best as per my knowledge. You can also follow my Instagram account. The link will be given in the description box only. Hope you have a good day ahead. Bye-bye and take care.